This Bronco has been redone from the bottom up by a smaller Bronco builder and did a pretty good job on the paint. It's all brand new. It doesn't have many wear marks. This one, as I mentioned, has just been restored. So it's very clean. And if you get underneath and take a look at the chassis, everything's been recoated, redone. The body was pulled up off the frame and everything looks very sanitary and very fresh and new. Plus, this engine has a 3-year warranty and documentation. So you know exactly what's under the hood. It has a distressed vinyl seat in it that looks a lot like the custom leather seats that we put in our high-end Coyote Broncos. It also has a wooden steering wheel. This has the half cage, front shoulder belts, and an upgrade to the heating and cooling. It's got air conditioning. But if they don't fit the bill for you, maybe we should custom build one so you have total control of color, drivetrain, and all the features inside. Either way, we're transforming Broncos every day and we'd love to transform one for you.